Okay, what's up YouTube? So, apologize for the amount of videos I've been putting out lately. I can probably see how it may be a bit confusing. So the gray F-150 is traded in for the white F-250. I didn't want to post the content I made with the F-150. I just didn't think it was really that good, or and probably wouldn't have a demand, but the videos that I made of me doing the leveling kit and roll-up tonneau cover install, I figured, hey, that might be useful to somebody, so I posted those. But those were taken a long time ago. So yeah, that truck, traded it in for the F-250, currently sitting at the F-250. Speaking of the F-250, got a nice little surprise today. Took it in for dealership for an inspection. Turns out the tie rods are shot. So I haven't even owned this truck for 6 days, and it already has approximately $700 worth of repairs that needs to be done. So love that for me. That's awesome. It's great. Came from the dealership I bought it from like that. So if you guys are looking to purchase a vehicle that needs hundreds of dollars worth of repair work, check out Falk Motors in Missouri. They'll go ahead and get you taken care of. Yeah, a little salty about that. But today, as you can see here, we have our tonneau cover. Somebody doing an install on that today, and we also got our jam seals. So these are getting replaced. Well, that one's gone completely, so these are getting replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and take these ones off. I'm gonna heat it up with the heat gun, clean it, remove the adhesive, and get the new ones placed. Okay, so just for a bit of a reference point, I'm taping the edges where they were, and I'm going to start peeling them off, spray it with some Goo Gone, and remove. The back two were missing, so I just kind of used the markings of where the old ones were. I'm going to heat them up with the heat gun, get them peeled off, clean it. Okay, so we got this front one off. Took my trusty dusty heat gun, hit it, got the corner peeled off. Holy moly, that thing is smoking hot right now. Yeah, don't touch that when it's hot. Peeled off one quarter and was able to stick the heat gun underneath there and just got all this adhesive warmed up and pulled it back. So one down, one to go. This side came off pretty easily. This side, not so easy. I got this little plastic scraper I've been using. That's some strong adhesive. Now I'm going to start on this side. As you can see, it appears somebody has already tried to do this. Nice. So got the heat on it. This thing gets hot really quick. So let's see if we can pull that up some more. There we go. And we're off. Okay. Another one down. We're gonna go ahead and climb through the cab, get the Goo Gone. Got the Goo Gone. Just let that sit for a little bit and finish scraping it all off. Okay, so about after an hour and whatever I've left of my sanity, we are completely clean. I gotta tell you, this stuff was a pain to get off. Nice and clean. stuff is really sticky, so I'm gonna go ahead, open up the new stuff, see what we got inside. Unfortunately, I cannot read, so throwing that away. Okay, here we go. One, and I guess this one is just comes with the plastic, so we'll just stick it on with the plastic because apparently it doesn't come out. Alright, just need to be a man. There we go. Okay, here we go. Here's our new ones. Front, rear. Looks like this has some protective coating on it. Interesting. Alright, so I think this is pretty straightforward. Super Duty left to right. Maybe I can read after all. And then Super Duty on the passenger side, left to right. Perfect. Just like a book, I don't read. So let's do this side first, driver's side first. I'm gonna rip this off. Great, comes off in 1-inch sections. Love that. Okay, here we go. Let's make sure I don't need to heat that up first. Let's get into blah, 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 blah. Oh, of course, you guys scan a QR code. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, after failing to read the instructions, I went ahead and just looked it up on YouTube because the QR code attached with the instructions got me nowhere. So, just clean it off, some rubbing alcohol, and place. I'm going to set the camera down and use 2 hands for the remaining installation of this. Ugh. Okay, make sure we're lined up. Okay. Just kind of wiping it down while pressing hard. Okay. Peel the tape off. Nice, shiny, clean. Now I will just rinse and repeat that step on all 4. And just like that, we are all done. The back one's on. These are blank. They say nothing. Just a blank plate there. You know, if somebody had half a mind, you might continue Super Duty F250, reading left to right. But what do I know? I think blank looks a lot better anyways. And here's my blank plate on the other side, illustrating how good a blank chrome plate looks. And here is the other side. that's it. They're installed. I am gonna get the bed installed, bed top roll cover. I'm gonna make a separate video for that for those of you who just want to know how to install that and don't want to watch this. So it's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you think of those, or not. It's cool either way. Thanks. Bye.